Police officers were on patrol and observed a red Chevrolet SUV fail to stop at the stop sign. The officers turned around to initiate a traffic stop. Prior to activating the emergency lights, it appeared to quickly accelerate and made an abrupt turn, and quickly pulled into a parking space.
But what's the problem?
You guys ripped it in here.
No,
you did.
We came in
don't even.
because you came in.
Don't even.
You don't even.
You tried to dip on us.
Nobody tried to dip.
Yeah, you did.
Nobody tried.
Don't
dip
even.
for what?
Time out. Baby, don't say nothing.
No, dip for
baby.
what? Dip for what?
Baby, don't say nothing.
I would like to know dip for what?
Because.
Dip for what?
You guys ran that stop sign.
Dip. Ain't nobody ran no stop sign.
Yes, you did.
It was a complete stop.
I need your ID.
Again.
So let me ask you a question.
Make sure
when you're coming this way.
Make sure.
Right?
Get your ID.
Okay. Make sure.
Do you have any weapons in this car?
Make sure. No, I just want you to make sure because you come in very hard.
You guys tore through that stop sign.
Driver's license.
And you took off, and
There's
then
my
your door
license.
opened.
Go ahead and look it up.
Do you want to see?
I'm out here.
You
I'm parked. What are we doing?
We're waiting for your driver to listen to the commands that she's being.
The car is stopped. It's parked. What are we doing though? Whoa! What are we doing? What are we doing? No,
you're not dictating how to
No, what are we doing?
Stop.
What are we doing?
No, absolutely.
What are we doing?
Absolutely.
Get out of now.
Bro, just get out of the car. Get out of the car now.
Bro, what are we doing?
Get out of the car now.
I'm getting out.
All right, get out.
What are we doing?
Stop. Just stop. Stop resisting.
I'm not doing anything.
Stop resisting.
How am I resisting?
Put your hands behind your back now.
You're not listening.
I'm resisting. I'm resisting now. You know I'm not resisting.
You're tensing up, bro. Just relax.
Ain't nobody
You're
tensing up. Ain't nobody tensing up, dude. Wait, what are we doing? Nobody is tensing up at all. What are we doing? You know better.
Stop resisting.
Nobody's resisting, dude. Like, Sergeant, you're the sergeant. You know better. You know better. This is what we doing?
Getting here to figure out what's going on.
Wow. I'm resisting?
You were.
No, nobody was not resisting. I was never told to get out. It's all on camera.
It's on camera.
Yeah, I'm legit. All the way. Like, I don't know. What are we doing?
Yeah, sorry. Both K9 units are out. We'll have one black male detained.
What are we doing? Officer, like Sergeant, what are we doing? Why do we have to do this?
We had one resisting, but we're good.
We have one resisting?
You're under arrest.
You want me to sit down? I'm under arrest for what? For what? What am I under arrest for? I did not resist not one time.
It was on camera, dude.
It's on camera. I ain't never resist not one time.
Okay.
No, we ain't doing this because you feel I'm resisting. We ain't doing this.
Do you want to sit down?
Yes, I would like to sit down.
Sit on your butt.
So
Okay, hold on. We're gonna search you first, though.
Please search me.
Okay, we're gonna search
so
you
he can
first,
feel safe.
and then we'll sit you down. Stop reaching. Stop reaching. No, don't do that. Stop. Don't do that, please.
Feel safe, please.
Stop. Don't do that.
Because I'm not feeling safe right now. Please strip me. Strip me butt naked, please.
Butt naked.
No, please do.
What's your first name, sir?
My first name is Mervin, man.
Mervin, listen.
Like, this is ridiculous.
Mervin.
Please strip me butt naked because I don't feel safe right now.
You're safe.
Like, I really don't, man.
You are safe.
I don't feel safe. Like, with this dude right here, I do not feel safe.
Okay.
He's still pulling me.
He's got to search you.
You can search me, you can strip me butt naked.
We're not stripping
But
you.
he's still pulling me for no reason,
searching.
man. I don't feel safe.
You are safe.
Like, I'm telling you, as an officer, like,
I'm listening.
as a taxpayer, I don't feel safe with this guy.
Okay, when he's done searching
that's all I'm saying. You can
you'll be
strip me
dealing
butt.
with me.
You can take all my clothes off, man. I'm telling you.
stripping you,
There is nothing. You can take all my clothes. I'm a law
We're not taking your clothes off.
Take everything off.
We're not
man.
taking your clothes off.
There is nothing. Please, like, he's scaring me.
He's not scared.
Yes, he's scaring me.
Searching.
Look at my right arm. He's grabbing me like he has me in a hole for no reason. I'm in handcuffs. Like, why is he having me in a hole for no reason? I don't understand this.
You want to sit down?
No, away from him,
Right,
please.
sit down.
Can you please
We'll sit
take
down
me
over
away
here.
from him?
Yeah.
Away from him.
Just sit down right here.
Because he's on something for some reason.
All right.
For some reason. This is ridiculous. Wow.
Hey!
Hey, stay back.
No!
Please stay back.
What are they doing?
Stay back.
No!
You're not gonna touch me. Stay back.
Get off me, nigga!
Stay back.
What you talking about? They snatched your car. You
And I
can't
told you
open
to
my
stay back,
time
didn't I?
out. You cannot open my car door. You don't have a warrant.
They don't need a warrant.
It doesn't matter. You can't open my car door. When are you opening my?
Do you have any idea
No
what you're
problem.
talking about right
No
now?
problem. No problem. Y'all do this all the time. Y'all do this all the time because y'all feel like people don't know the law. It's okay.
Well, clearly you don't.
Time out. Are you allowed to open my car door
What,
without
do you
permission?
know why they're detaining him?
It doesn't matter.
Yes.
He was in the car.
It doesn't
with
matter.
It doesn't matter.
What I'm telling you is that it doesn't matter that he was in the car.
Okay. So you
Okay.
can just come and open people's
Does he
personal
have a-
property? Can you come and open people's personal property?
Yes.
No, you cannot.
But they have reason to.
What's the reason?
How about
What
you
was the
ask the
reason?
officers who did it?
It doesn't matter.
Do you see that I
ask
just
him.
showed up?
You ask him.
So before you get
You
on and try
ask
to
him, but you
interfere
came
with what
in
they're
hot.
doing,
You
because
came in
you
hot
came
like
over
you
trying
knew.
to interfere.
And man, whatever.
All right.
Hey, I'm going home. They had no reason to stop me.
Right now?
Hey, no problem. Hey, big fella.
You're not going anywhere right
Hey,
now because
yes
they
I
stopped
am.
your car.
Hey, sir, you said I ran the stop sign. Let me get my ticket. I'm going home. I live right there.
leaving right now.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Give me my ticket.
You're not leaving.
You said I ran the stop sign.
Let me explain this
Time
to
out.
you. Before
My
you go to
license-
before you end up going to jail for obstruction.
No,
Before you end up going to jail for
I'm
obstruction,
gonna walk home.
let me
No
explain
problem.
to you
No
what's
problem.
going on. What are you reaching in there for?
Nothing.
All right.
I'm getting my purse.
All right, you're
Look
not
here.
leaving.
No problem.
Listen, I don't
I'm
want to have to
going
touch you
home.
right now. All right.
No, but you know why?
I don't
Because
wanna
he
have to touch
did.
you right now.
You know why? Because he did. He pulled my car door open for no reason. He told me to roll my window down. That officer right there, I said, I don't have to. You can clearly see me. You can clearly see me.
You still need to roll your
No,
window
you
down to get
don't.
to identify
No, you
yourself, to give them your license,
no problem.
to communicate
You see
with
this
the
space?
officer, do you not?
No problem.
All right.
Let me ask you a
Officer
question.
Safety, can they see through this? Look how dark
No,
this
it is not. You see this space? Can you see in my car? Look.
I can't see all
Look.
the way in your
Yes,
car.
you
if the
can.
door was
You're
shut.
not trying. You're trying to make me wrong.
It's not-
Look in my car.
It's
You
not
can see
my
my
job.
entire
Listen,
car. It's not your
it's
job
not my
now.
job to
It's
expose
not
my entire face
my
and put it
windows
in
don't
your
work.
car
My
so
windows
that I
don't
can
work.
see if you
My
have a
windows
weapon
don't
or
work.
anything else in
My
here.
windows don't work.
They look like they work.
You saying they look like they work? They don't work. That's as low as they go.
Okay.
They don't work.
Instead of explaining that, you get
No,
all
no, no.
excited
I don't
and
have
hyped.
to. I told him, you can see me. What do you need? Do you need my license? He said, no, I need you to roll your window down. No, do you need my license? You said I ran the stop sign. No problem. Give me my ticket. My license is valid. Give me my ticket. That's it. You got me for running the stop sign. Give my ticket. Get the home.
Why are you
Now,
so mad at me?
because you're doing extra shit just because you want to. Just because you can.
think
Just
I
because you
want
got
to?
this uniform on.
You think I want to be here right
It's
now?
all right. No problem. I'm going home. Y'all can do whatever you want in the car.
You can't leave.
Yes, I
don't want to have
can.
to touch you to detain you right now. all
Detain me for what?
right? Because you are detained. You're in a traffic
Detain?
stop. You were driving, right?
Okay, no
and
problem.
they pulled you over
no problem.
for a
Tell him to go
violation.
get my ticket.
Listen,
I'm asking you to get my ticket
they're
so I
dealing with
cannot be
something else
detained no
right
more.
now.
That's them.
They have a
tell the
reasonable
person.
amount of time to do
no
what they need
problem.
to do.
Tell the person that stopped me to give me my ticket so I can on. Now what y'all do with him, that's y'all business. But I'm going home. Give me my ticket for running the stop sign. That's all I'm asking you to do. Here go my license. Tell him to run it. I ain't got shit to do with what's going on over there. And the rest of y'all 15 cops that's going on. So no. Go get the person that said I ran the stop sign. Tell him to run my license, give me my ticket. Now. That's all I need. Get the person who said I ran. You didn't see me run the stop sign.
Correct.
Did you see me run the stop sign?
Correct, I did.
No problem. Go get the officer who ran the stop sign.
So, first off, you're not going to tell me what to do, ma'am. All right?
I'm asking you. No problem. I am asking you to get the officer.
When he's
who
done with the investigation with him,
He's
he
not.
will do that.
He's
all
not
right?
over there. He's over
When
there.
he's done.
He's
he
not
will.
over there.
All right?
He's not over there. He's over here. Can you tell the officers that see me run the stop sign to give me my ticket, please? I'm asking me for my ticket so that I can go home.
Which officer is it?
It is. But they're taking a breath because it's taking his asthma pump. Here you go. The officer. Here's. Anybody want to run my license?
They're going to run your stop.
I ran the stop sign. Can you give me the ticket for running the stop sign, big fella? Thank you so much. No problem. I don't need you to explain anything to me. I am going to stay right here. Do you see me moving? No problem. No problem. Good deal. Let me get my ticket.
That's how I perceived it. Is that accurate? You told her to get out of the car?
No.
You did?
No, she has the window rolled up this far. And I said, can you roll the window all the way down? She
Yeah,
says,
heard that.
no, it's down far enough. And And I said, okay, then I'm going to open the door because I can't see in the car. And I opened the door and she slammed it shut.
Oh, okay.
And then I said, roll the window down. And she said, no. She continued to say, I'm not rolling the window down. So I went to go. I said, okay, then I'm opening the door. And I opened the door again, and she slammed it shut, so I ripped it open. And that's when he jumped over.
He was yeah. What did you see him do? Because I saw him when he had her wrapped up. He was pulling her.
He jumped over her, but I was watching where she was trying to get into the door, why she didn't want the door open.
Yeah. No, something's going on with him. So, okay, that's your call. But yeah, he is going. It's your call.
No problem. I'm detained, right? No problem. Close my door. Close my door.
I'm just not letting her manipulate stuff.
No,
It's not a manipulation. It's close my door.
Hey, this is what we're gonna do. Take a deep breath.
I have a deep breath.
We're not gonna do anything. Just walk up here with me.
Okay, so tell him
Come
to
here.
close my door.
No, we're not closing the door. Come up here. Yeah. Come here.
No, I'm good right here. Big
Would
fella.
you just come here? We
I
have a
don't-
supervisor on the way.
No problem. I'll wait for the supervisor.
Okay. We are trying to use some discretion here
Yeah.
because you don't argue this. Just listen for a second.
Okay.
You could go to jail for resisting. Hang
Resisting
on.
what?
Just
I'm not
li-
under arrest.
hang
I
on,
got a
don't-
ticket.
Don't interrupt me. Just listen,
Okay.
please. Your passenger was ordered to get out of the car because, hang on, listen, please listen. Your passenger was ordered to get out of the car because you weren't listening and he started to interfere with what was going on with you.
No.
Yes, and he was ordered out of the car
No.
and he physically resisted.
No.
Please stop interrupting and listen.
Okay.
Okay.
Were you here?
So, I was the one that pulled him
Right.
out.
So,
Okay. So
when
yes,
did
I
they
was.
give me a directive? Before they talk to the
Have you-
passenger, because I'm driving.
Hey, how much have you had to drink tonight?
None.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Okay, there's an open bottle of tequila on your passenger
There's not an
floorboard.
open bottle of tequila.
Is it closed?
It is closed.
Okay, has it seal been broken?
It's closed.
Yes or no? Is the
It's
seal
closed. The bottle of tequila is closed.
broken? Have you had any alcohol tonight whatsoever?
I don't have to answer any questions because the ticket that I'm getting is for running the stop sign. So by this time, I should have gotten my ticket, correct?
No.
It don't take that long to get a ticket?
So we're beyond basic traffic stop based
Right.
on your driving
For
behavior.
him. For him.
Based on your
Not-
your
not for
driving
me.
behavior. Yes, from Jump Street. Your driving behavior. You took evasive action when you came in here.
I did not.
Yes, you did. And
I
your
did not.
passenger tried to exit the vehicle.
He
and
did not.
You didn't comply
He did-
with
he
my
did
partner's
not.
commands.
No, time out. Did the passenger try to evade the vehicle, or
Both
did
of you.
the officer snatch the car door open? One or the other. Now you say you were standing right here. Did he try to get out of the vehicle, or did he snatch the door open?
He tried to get out.
Okay.
It's on body camera.
Okay.
And so were his actions after that, and so were yours.
Okay. No problem.
So, how much have you had to drink tonight?
I don't have to answer any questions.
So you have been drinking tonight. Okay. So now we need to deal with that. That's a real thing. And just because you request a supervisor and just because you have an issue with it doesn't mean that it goes away. This is not your show, it's ours.
We
So
understand
that's
that
what you need to
because
understand.
we pay you to do that, correct?
Okay.
To keep everybody safe.
Yes, but
correct.
now you are subject to what we tell you to do. Whether you like it or not, this is not the place to litigate
I'm
that.
not. I'm not subject to what you tell me to do.
Yeah, oh, yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Because I'm already detained for the traffic ticket,
And you
correct?
weren't listening.
So where's my ticket?
We're not there yet.
When you say I wasn't listening, what did you ask me to
So
do?
we are
What did you
now
ask me
doing-
to do?
We are doing an investigation.
What did you ask?
And now
You're doing an investigation
I need
for
to
him.
Deal with
You're
whether
not.
or not we're going to have a DUI here.
We're not.
Okay. How do I know
So
that?
why is he searching my vehicle?
So we have an open container in plain view on the front passenger
There is no open
floorboard.
container. The container is closed.
Walk back here with me so he can do their job. I'm going to either put you here in handcuffs or you're going to listen to me.
my God.
End of story.
Right.
Now face me.
I understand because you got a little bass in your voice. No problem.
You're just
No,
simply
no,
not listening.
I'm not listening. I can hear everything you're saying, but what I'm asking you to do is, are they searching my vehicle?
Stand right here.
'Cause
I already
nothing is
explained it to you,
open.
but you're not listening, or you're drunk and you don't realize it.
On the same page, he has a medical marijuana card. However, this marijuana that he told me is in his phone record is not properly packaged.
No problem. That's a him thing. You got nothing to do with me.
Look up at me, please.
Who can see like that? What are you?
I'm looking at your eyes.
Right, because I'm a nurse. So you have to do this by equal observation. So you have to do this way, and then do like this, and then see if the pupil change. So go ahead,
Sure.
do it.
Yeah.
Here.
Stay right here with him.
Do this one.
And don't move off that
No,
car.
you gotta do this one. I'm just telling you.
I'm not entertaining it. It's fine. I do not believe Signal One. I do believe she's had something to drink tonight, but I do not believe Signal One.
Well, there's a half-empty bottle of tequila.
Yes. And I'm not going to continue to escalate or allow it to escalate with her. So I'm just going to walk away.
We are positive THC. This was located on the floorboard,
Passenger.
floorboard, and he spontaneously stated to Officer Knight that it was in here.
What did he say?
He said he's got medical weed, that it's packaged in his name, and that it's in the blunt wrapper on the floorboard.
Which is prima facie not packaged properly.
He does have a medical container that
Okay.
also is empty, but does not have his name on it.
I need to spit.
Okay, don't. Are you serious right now?
Are you gonna open the door for me?
Did you just spit in my car?
Are you gonna open the door for me?
You spit in my car, I'm charging you.
I need to spit.
If you spit in my car, I'm charging you criminally.
Okay.
For criminal mischief.
Okay, but can you open the door for me? I need to spit. I just got that. I got the receipt for that.
That's cool. It's an open container on a vehicle, which is so.
But that's mine too.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
We're gonna let her go here with a ticket in just a
Got me
second.
for an open container. Oh, that's mine.
I might have to get someone because I don't know where mine
All
went.
misdemeanors for you today.
Yeah, everything is mine. Everything is mine. Got my fingerprints on it and all.
Give me my ticket so I can go. David,
She is free to leave whenever she chooses to.
thank you.
Okay, is that hers?
Yes.
All right, here you go.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
I got to explain it to you first, okay? So, citation for a stop sign violation, you have 30 days to either pay it and plead guilty, or if you choose to contest it, you have 30 days. The instructions to contest it or plead guilty and pay it are on this green form and the back of the ticket.
I'll pay it tonight, big
All
fella.
right?
Thank you so much.
Do you have any
Appreciate
questions for us?
No, sir.
All right, hey, she's got...
He wants you to take his man. He wants you to take his wallet.
Charges: resist officer without violence, possession of controlled substance, cannabis/marijuana civil citation.
It's going to be a presumptive positive for THC oil. Deactivated.